What defines the exterior of the next generation GMC Sierra? It starts with powerful proportions, granted by an all-new frame. Ride height is noticeably taller than its predecessor, and cargo bed volume is larger than any competitor. It continues with extreme attention to detail across a muscular physique. Style lines draw your eye to the engineering achievements they enhance. From the sculpted hood and chrome Denali grille to the most innovative 6-function tailgate available in the industry. Because grille to gate, roof to road, everything has changed.
Upgrade to professional grade at the all-new Trucks GMC in Hudson. Buy online at TucksGMC.com.